Most small businesses lose revenue for a very specific reason. Their leads are fine and their ads are working, but the business responds too slowly after interest appears. A customer searching for a solution will not wait for your internal process to catch up. This line graph shows lead conversion probability based on response time. Conversion rates are 8 times greater when contact is attempted in the first 5 minutes. But look at the 60-minute mark. Buying intent flatlines. The prospect has likely already booked with a competitor. We are going to close this gap today by building an automated AI money workflow. This system will instantly reply, ask qualifying questions, and book leads onto your calendar. To build this workflow, you need 4 tools: a CRM, an automation platform, an SMS tool for outreach, and a calendar to secure appointments. Speed to lead acts as a strict revenue control mechanism. Responding in seconds builds immediate competitive authority and protects the intent of your buyer while they are still motivated. Step 1 is conducting a lead source audit. Pull the data on the last 20 leads that entered your business. Look closely at where they originated and identify the single highest volume channel where those inquiries currently sit waiting for someone on your team to manually reply. Calculate the exact dollar amount of revenue lost from the leads that went cold in that specific channel because your response was too slow. Avoid analysis paralysis. Do not try to overhaul every system at once. Today, we are only going to fix this one high-volume entry point. This introduces the first 2 levels of our AI architecture: Layer 1, lead capture, and Layer 2, identity. The system must immediately capture and map 5 data points into your CRM: name, phone number, email, lead source, and the timestamp. Open your automation platform. You will set up an initial trigger designed to fire the very millisecond a new lead hits that chosen channel. Run a test trigger using dummy information. You must verify that your automation platform successfully catches all 5 data points before building the rest of the sequence. By instantly capturing and mapping this data, you take a scattered, unpredictable inquiry and turn it into a measurable, controllable asset. Next, we build Layer 3, instant messaging. Add an SMS step in your automation sequence that fires immediately after the lead capture step. The primary objective of this immediate text is to possess the conversation. If you reply while the customer is still at their keyboard, you insert your business into their buying process before competitors even see a notification. Now we connect Layer 4, AI qualification. You will program the AI assistant to follow up by asking 1 to 3 highly specific qualifying questions. For example, a contractor's workflow should prompt the AI to ask the prospect what type of project they need help with, where the property is located, and when they want to start the work. In contrast, a medical spa workflow requires different data, prompting the AI to ask if the prospect is a returning client and what specific service they desire. You must set absolute guardrails for the AI prompt. Explicitly instruct the system that it is forbidden from inventing pricing, offering medical diagnoses, or providing legal counsel under any circumstances. The AI handles the basic intake and keeps the opportunity engaged until a qualified human is ready to step in. This allows your team to reserve their energy for expertise, trust, and negotiation. We reach the final active layers: Layer 5, automated scheduling, and Layer 6, human escalation. Here, you define branching logic. The system evaluates answers and automatically sends a booking link if they meet qualification criteria. You must build a parallel escalation path for leads that flag as urgent, highly valuable, or sensitive based on the responses they provide. Configure the automation so that when this escalation path is triggered, the system sends an immediate SMS alert directly to the business owner or the assigned sales team. When this workflow operates correctly, it creates a dual action outcome. The customer receives their booking link seamlessly on the front end, while your CRM automatically updates their lead status in the background. Before going live, run through the final pre-launch checklist. Ensure that the trigger, the initial SMS, the qualification questions, the calendar integration, and the CRM update steps are all actively connected. Activating this completed architecture permanently turns manual lead handling into a predictable, repeatable operating system. By deploying this setup, you have successfully built an always-on first layer for your business. From this moment forward, no incoming lead will wait for a human before receiving a response. The final piece of the architecture is Layer 7, analytics. Evaluate this system strictly by business outcomes and the closed deals it produces, rather than the underlying technology. This dashboard shows the 4 specific key performance indicators you need to track: your speed to lead time, your contact rate, your booking rate, and your generated revenue per source. For the first 2 weeks after launch, manually monitor the AI conversations. Use this period to refine your scripts, adjust your routing rules, and correct any friction points in the handoff. Speed to lead is a massive competitive advantage in a market where attention disappears quickly. For more strategies on scaling your business with AI, subscribe to the Grow with Technology YouTube channel. Follow @GrowWithTechnology704 on Instagram and Facebook. Visit www.growwithtechnology.com and listen to the Grow with Technology podcast on Spotify.